Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Apple Support app on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. Sign in with any Apple ID if prompted to access account tools. Tap Get Support and choose Apple ID, then reset password to begin. Confirm your phone number or trusted device when asked to receive a verification. Expect a 6-digit verification code delivered to a trusted device or phone number within minutes. Follow on-screen prompts to create a new secure password and update devices. Tap Get Support, choose Apple ID, then reset password to start the guided flow. Verify identity by selecting a trusted phone number or device to receive a 6-digit verification code. Enter the 6-digit code exactly as received to continue without delay. If you use two-factor authentication, approve the sign-in request on a trusted device when prompted. Create a new strong password with at least 8 characters and mixed letters and digits. Finish by signing back into apps and services on each device. If the verification code does not arrive, confirm the trusted phone number and wait 15 minutes before retrying. Restart your iPhone and ensure cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity when codes fail. Use a trusted device to approve sign-in requests for faster recovery whenever possible. If recovery stalls, open the Apple Support app and start a chat or call from the account section to get live assistance. Consider enabling two-factor authentication and updating your recovery contacts after you regain access to prevent future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.